Welcome, here I've got VIVO X51 5G and I'm gonna show you how to activate audio control in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just simply slide down a little bit and pick the shutter. And here we have some options about taking the pictures in this camera. At the second place is the voice control, so by using this button we can easily turn it on, and another tap to turn it off when we don't need it. And when we have this turned on, we can take a picture without touching the screen by saying cheese. So let me show you how it works by going back to the camera, and now let me try to take a picture by saying cheese. And as you can see, this is how it works, the picture was taken. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.